One of the COVID tests being given in the Milwaukee area is now under a safety alert by the Food and Drug Administration. Rebecca Clump explains why the FDA claims that the test sometimes produces misleading results.
The newest COVID test here in Milwaukee is run out of a van by Curative. The Food and Drug Administration warns the Curative test can give a false negative, meaning someone who actually has COVID could be testing that they don't. A new warning by the FDA about a specific COVID-19 test. The agency says it's alerting providers about the risk of false results, particularly false negative results. A warning we shared with Katie, a woman from Milwaukee we profiled 2 weeks ago when she got one of the first Curative tests at the new mobile testing site at Barack Obama High School.
It's just kind of disappointing that you went into the test hoping that you'd get accurate results.
The Curative test debuted in Milwaukee just before New Year's. The company operates out of a van, traveling to areas where people typically don't have easy access to COVID tests. The city of Milwaukee hired Curative to administer these tests, which has people do their own nasal swabs.
Some of the false negatives that they're talking about, we assume are related more to oral swabs and saliva. The evidence base for utilizing nasal swabs is better. So that's one key point of information to understand that at the Milwaukee level.
However, the FDA warns the issue is not how people collect the samples, but authorized use is limited to people who have shown symptoms of COVID-19. Katie says when she took the test, she was never told she had to have COVID symptoms to get an accurate result. She has now gotten tested at 2 other COVID testing facilities. She already got back one of the results and found out she is negative.
You kind of need to just go different places, I guess. Apparently, that's what I found out from this.
As for Curative, the company released a statement on the FDA's claims saying Curative's test has been validated and is being offered during the pandemic under an emergency use authorization. We have been working with the agency to address their concerns and these limitations. We did reach out to the Washington Ozaukee Health Department, which also uses the Curative test, but we did not hear back. It's important to stress in Milwaukee, the only place using the Curative test is here at Barack Obama High School. The Miller Park testing site uses another test. Reporting in Milwaukee, Rebecca Cluff, TMJ4 News.